In this video, I'll show you how to list your property on Airbnb for beginners. Alright, so what you want to do is go to airbnb.com and you just want to go to the top right and click on the hamburger icon and then click on log in or sign up. From there, you can either log in or sign up with your phone number, or you can use Google, Apple, or any of the other available options. And once you do, you'll be brought to the screen here. Now what we can do is go to the top right and click on switch to hosting. And now you need to choose if it's your home, experience, or service. So we'll choose home. And since I don't have an actual listing, I'm not going to complete the process, but here is how it is set up. It's quite simple. You tell them about your place, add a few photos and descriptions, and then you finish up by giving them pricing and go through verification. So you'll click on get started at the bottom right. You'll click on next. And here's an idea of what the questions look like. So you'll just click on the one that's applicable to you. Again, same situation, just click on the applicable question, type in your address, and that's pretty much how it's going to go from here on out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.